What's up guys, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson we're going to be learning about the F melodic minor scale. Now in order to build the F melodic minor scale, there are several methods that we can use. In this lesson I'm going to teach you 3 different methods by which we can build the F melodic minor scale. So yeah, let's start. Now the first method that I'm going to teach you is quite an easy method. So in order to build the F melodic minor scale, what we can do is we can take the F major scale and then we can take the third note of that major scale and then lower it by a half step. And then doing that is going to give us the F melodic minor scale. So yeah, let's do that. So just to remind you, the F major scale is this. So that is the F major scale. Now we want to build the F melodic minor scale. So one method that we could use is we can take this F major scale and then we can take the third note of the F major scale and then lower that by a half step. And doing that is going to give us the F melodic minor scale. So yeah, let's do that. So the third note of the F major scale is this. 1, 2, 3. So the third note of the F major scale is the key of A. So we're going to lower the third note by a half step, which means that we're going to land on the key of A flat. See that? So if we now play the new scale, the third note is not going to be the key of A anymore. It's going to be the key of A flat. And that new scale is going to be the F melodic minor scale. So the F melodic minor scale is going to look like this. See that? That is the F melodic minor scale. So that's one method by which we can build the F melodic minor scale. The other method by which we can build the F melodic minor scale is to take the F natural minor scale and then to increase the 6th note of the F natural minor scale by a half step, and then to also increase the 7th note of the F natural minor scale by a half step. And doing distance is going to give us the F melodic minor scale. So yeah, let's do that. Now just to remind you, the F natural minor scale looks like this. So see that? That is the F natural minor scale. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this F natural minor scale and then we're going to increase the 6th note by a half step, and then we're also going to increase the 7th note by a half step, and that is going to give us the F melodic minor scale. So yeah, let's do that. So let's count the keys as we go up the scale. So starting from the key of F. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the 6th note would have been the key of C sharp if we were building the F natural minor scale. But because we are building the F melodic minor scale, the 6th note is going to be higher by a half step. So the 6th note is going to be the key of D. So the 6th note of the F melodic minor scale is higher than the 6th note of the F natural minor scale by a half step. Now, the 7th note of the F natural minor scale would have been the key of E flat. But because we are building the F melodic minor scale, the 7th note is not going to be the key of E flat. The 7th note is going to be higher by a half step. So the 7th note is going to be the key of E. And we are going to finish on the key of F. See that? So the 6th note of the F melodic minor scale is higher than the 6th note of the F natural minor scale by a half step. Also, the 7th note of the F melodic minor scale is higher than the 7th note of the F natural minor scale by a half step. See that? So that is the F melodic minor scale. Now, the third method by which we can build the F melodic minor scale is through the use of the formula. Now, just to remind you, whenever you move from one key to the next key without skipping any key, that is known as moving by a half step. So for example, if I move from the key of F to the key of F sharp, I've not skipped any key. I've just moved from one key to the next key. So this means that I've moved by a half step. Now, whenever you move from one key to another key and you skip a key in between, then that is known as moving by a whole step. Get what I mean? So for example, if I move from the key of F to the key of G, I've skipped one key in between. Therefore, this means that I've moved by a whole step. So let's use the third method, which is by using the formula to build the F melodic minor scale. So starting from the key of F, so we're going to take a whole step, and then a half step, and then a whole 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 step, and then a half step. See that? So that is the F melodic minor scale. So yeah, that's it for this lesson, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.